Welcome to a quick bite of tech history. Ever pondered why your keyboard looks the way it does? Meet the QWERTY layout, the brainchild of Christopher Latham Scholes back in 1868. Its design, some say, was to prevent typewriter jams. Others believe it was intentionally made to slow down typing and dodge mechanical mishaps. Over time, alternative layouts like the Dvorak simplified keyboard have emerged, promising enhanced speed and comfort. But still, QWERTY holds the crown. Even in the digital age, we've stuck with QWERTY. Touchscreen devices, virtual keyboards, all echo the layout we've grown familiar with. Isn't it fascinating? A design born from the limitations of mechanical typewriters still dominates in the era of digital devices. It's a testament to the enduring impact of historical technological constraints and the power of familiarity. That's the QWERTY keyboard for you. A symbol of technological necessity, design choices, and the persistence of standards. A true blend of past and present.